Lord, I've got to get footage of this somehow. Isn't that the time you just got a tropical storm happening right now? It's like 5:30 in the morning. There's a maximum wind of easily in the 30s, possibly even into the 40s. Look at these winds, y'all. Really? Okay. I don't know where you're at because I can't see anything. My eyes are all foggy, a feeling. Wow, you can really hear those winds. No, Kushka, go back inside. Holy crap, look at the wind. Wow. I need a light to come on. Wow, crap, it is windy as hell out here. Hold up, I'll be right back, I have an idea. This is really probably... There's definitely tropical storm force winds, ladies and gentlemen. Holy Lord. Oh, it's windy and rainy. Yeah, we're 70 degrees in showers, but yeah, we're starting to see, easily starting to get in the tropical storm force wind areas where winds are easily picking up in the 20s, maybe even into the 30s. Later today, we'll easily see those winds pushing into the 40s. Alright. You can really see that wind. I think there's some water on here. Oh, that's not lightning. No idea what's happening, but we cannot. I would see very well. Wow, this is insane. I probably should get some shorts on. I don't even know what this is. Oh, it's a broom that fell. Y'all can't even see anything, most likely. You can really hear the winds, though. Jeez, dude. Winds are getting really strong. It's so cold, it's like 69 degrees outside. This is definitely got some water on the lens. I need to go back inside. This is Tropical Storm Nicholas here in Jersey Village. Winds of about easily in the 40s here. I'm gonna go put my camera back up.